In Activity 8, Building a Buzzer, students apply what they have learned about electromagnetism to construct a buzzer. They trace the path of the electric current through the circuit of a buzzer and observe that a buzzer works based on the principles of electromagnetism. You will need the following materials from the kit: Activity Sheet 8, D-cell batteries, electrical clips, Delta circuit workspaces from Activity 7, electromagnets from Activity 7, Fondstock clips, emery cloths, metal strips, paper fasteners, rubber grommet spacers, 15 cm plastic insulated wire pieces, and 25 cm plastic insulated wire pieces. You will also need to provide metric rulers. To prepare this activity, make a copy of Activity Sheet 8 for each student. Each team of students will need a circuit workspace, 2 D-cell batteries, 4 unbent electrical clips, an electromagnet from Activity 7, a Fondstock clip, a metal strip, a rubber spacer, a paper fastener, a metric ruler, a 25 cm piece of plastic insulated wire, and a 15 cm piece of plastic insulated wire. To begin the activity, stimulate discussion by asking students, "What do you think a buzzer is?" Accept all ideas. Explain that a buzzer is a signaling device used to alert persons nearby to an event. Then, ask students, "How could you modify your telegraph apparatus to make it buzz instead of click?" Accept all answers. Point out that they will use what they learned about electromagnets in Activities 6 and 7 to build a buzzer. Next, distribute a copy of Activity Sheet 8 to each student. Demonstrate for the class how to prepare and assemble the buzzer. Use emery cloth to sand an area around the hole in the metal strip. Sand only one side of the strip. Push a paper fastener through the hole on the sanded side of the Fondstock clip and through the hole in the metal strip. Then, attach a rubber spacer and spread the tabs on the paper fastener. On the same side but on the opposite end of the strip, sand about 5 centimeters of the end of the strip. It is critical that only one side of the strip is sanded. Then, divide the class into teams of 4 and distribute the materials to each team. Have the class follow the instructions on Activity Sheet 8 to construct the buzzer. Offer help as necessary. Inform the students that the sanded part of the metal strip must rest on the bent electrical clip and that the electromagnet may need to be adjusted. Review the results of the students' efforts and ask, "What is the path of the electric current through the buzzer?" Students should have noticed that the electric current travels from the batteries to the metal strip and, after passing through the bent electrical clip and the electromagnet, it travels back to the batteries again. When the circuit is closed, electric current temporarily magnetizes the nail, making the nail an electromagnet. The electromagnetism draws the metal strip toward the electromagnet, but as soon as the strip lifts off the bent electrical clip, the circuit opens and the nail loses its magnetism. The strip then falls back to its base, closing the circuit. As soon as the circuit is closed, current begins to flow and the cycle starts all over again. The operation will continue until the batteries go dead or are disconnected. Then ask students, "What makes the noise?" Help students understand that the metal strip is vibrating against the bent electrical clip every time the electromagnet attracts and releases the strip. Finally, ask students, "What do you think would happen if more batteries were added to the circuit? What would happen if more wire were coiled around the nail?" Most of the students should realize that if they increase the number of coils of wire or add more batteries, they will increase the strength of the magnet, producing a stronger attraction between the nail and the metal strip. To conclude the activity, students should dismantle their buzzers, except for the electromagnets, and return all of the equipment to the kit. Detach the bent electrical clips and return them, along with the hex nuts and screws, to the kit. Discard any dead batteries. The electromagnets will be used in Activity 11. For science background, reinforcement activities, curriculum connections, and information about the Delta Science Reader, please consult your DSM Teacher's Guide.